Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Okay. I say kuna grande bia
Kofi anto kasab kra.
Kuna na de bia contribution ye de koyi obi eyi na ye de ye. Ntino menwe.
Eko bɛn.
O say. Oh say sinika si ekuo no.
Okay.
De mako wura mu nyina no eyi ntoboa na ye gije.
Okay.
Emwa me. Ntino menimu bia. Ye djuma.
Basa wonim funny, wonim lewen.
Funny ni lewen de no. Na anod ka asem bi say enye mainly say oka say undeserved. And it is true. But ironically, you know, Funny Face was not even angry about other things, demeaning things now. Kwadron cancer eka you know. Bano ba no ba say obe defend say indeed na o deserve say o win those awards. And for me, you know, where edwuma ye wo me ya sebio nana untumi nchiri nyanka na wonkose kunani pe. Eka edwuma no umasha wonsuro babaso. When you akasa obeba sini twem obeba entertainment obeba sanyo wenya. These things come with it. And for me, the relationship of Funny Face and then Lewin one time Lewin cast asam na I wasn't expecting say Funny even would come out with such response. Because no more you coupa meaning say omo very close relationship. Omo di omo like you know very casually. And then a man living to me can't say the sorry because when you say be or carry your Funny for fan the massa so you can own your correct and that be na
sure magic
and one kakra when Funny Face no sa because sa beef no ade bakwa mananya de be one sided because now I say Funny kasa Lewin kasa na Funny asan kasa Lewin kasa na Funny asan kasa and it got to a point Lewin mom was making gains out of the beef.
But say me do as about ko ka say won cafe.
And I make it
cafe no.
Obian
I know your calibers modern. Say Funny beef no.
E be fra
stages.
Patron.
E be fra calibers.
Bismarck
the joke. Say when the na escalate no. Na final win kasa. Nti wonu wie. Nti ohun say nkofo bi jo mo akobole win.
Yeah.
Na owobi omu nyina so.
Okay, in all we
and for me Nana, I think say they have the right to disagree publicly on issues.
Yeah.
No doubt. Ha ejuma no.
Okay.
For me, if well done, almost some levels of attention that we producers can take advantage of.
Okay.
The only time we may not be able to take advantage of when it gets very dirty to say Tracey Boakye and Mzbel.
I'm right here.
Oh, I know.
I did not beef.
That's what I'm saying.
But I did not know men can say I did not beef her.
Oh, let me finish. To say in Tawa any idea.
No, take it back. No, man beef no, say it well.
I didn't say you beefed. I don't think I said that.
Tracey means beef.
Yeah, but I didn't say
it was one-sided beef.
So I'm right to say that.
Like one-sided beef no.
So here Tracey Mzbel.
One-sided beef.
When in Tawa.
One-sided beef now.
I don't want to use the beef again.
Okay.
Over Tracey Boakye Mzbel Tawa na airtime kakra sebio na enya akono sa type of beef na as enyinya eno no wo de ye bibie enye ye bese because omoma ade no be ye te say personal diary
don't say omoma
Mzbel Tracey Emma
manye bi ebeye
Mzbel said you responded to her.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did.
We have videos of you responding to her.
Mzbel say bobo ni e share o 10 and just one bobi.
But
okay.
But man, I didn't respond.
Mzbel, I say one responding.
And yes, I didn't respond. Come on, I didn't respond. All I did is I came on live and I was laughing.
Laughing about what?
Laughing about life.
That is how you responded.
That is a response.
No, but then I have been laughing every day. Nobody said it was.
But that laughter was a response to. Mzbel, I just.
So that's how you people take it.
Yes. I watched Mzbel's video actually.
Oh, yeah. She knows.
I was laughing.
About. No.
One at a time.
Mzbel ni Tracey there no na airtime because a man and a man penny for am womba. Nipa bebre eni eda muso na mudi sabiota fata kwalasem adwumu hasem say e TV social media ana debi na obi kase
enti in on dan e
na hani ya me pa no adaroma pese me chese se mu ye bifa se ye bifa emfaso ebeba ama nipa no kra na mu beef no ana ka say entertainment no music beef a select artist unfortunately no Tracey a beef between actress and musician. And so I was thinking that by the time I do baby music, Mzbel realizes so
Tracey so abono.
Meba.
Just obo aso nyo mo.
Try again.
I read passion no yeah ho. Once a Mzbel issue ni buy no towards the end no or you that say obefa beef no ho dia enwum bi.
It's not true. Hey, it's not true. You can never say that. You see,
video. Let me
wait. Everything you are saying right now is baseless because we need point to be at. That song is like 3 years.
It's an old song.
It's an old song.
The video was a new video.
No, it wasn't a new video. It's old video.
Okay, so let me. Can I finish?
No, but then I have to correct it before you correct.
Correct now.
Mzbel,
and the new me by say and kasa enyum.
Yes. Na opese you can mom
it's going to come into how okay to me so
there be anka ba be ya no ni ha
enum dada you fabis no twi ne ren
anodo poka tie menya sa anodo poka say ye ne nyom e wo ho dada
I don't think I'm disputing that.
Yeah, but you are saying the video is new and everything about the song is old.
Me see myself so say video ni nya video mo.
Good.
Na dey Kofi ye dey akoya say akwa na okotro exams na yes on troll lizard. Troll lizard who asem afi or say a lizard are a reptile that are eaten by birds. Therefore one might say what is a bird? I did just when I
thought you were talking about beefs that are
beef specific
exactly.
Beef,
so let me why are you
no she said
what can Lewen the about say do there no
I don't Kofi what daro makrache but you are no say nyum no nyum dada and not releasing that time.
No, I'm releasing that.
No, promono that time.
Yeah, be my preoccupana. Blogger be kai say, oh, send me Mzbel when you be a CSM. No, satisfied or share.
Nice, and you now share.
No,
that's okay. Into coffee to us.
And I like the idea, say, in the height of Sabi, my example towards producer, because as a producer, I don't deal with musicians. The question I'll be saying, I'm telling you why I wrote in Tracey and Mzbel.
Okay.
Because I'm a producer, I'm a film producer, I'm not a music producer. So because I should comment on beef between can't say musicians, I may not be able.
No, actually,
and because that's what I'm saying. Say, Lewen, actor. Can't say Tracey Boakye say actress, and then I see it as Nina beef. So I was just citing it as an example. Say, Lewen used it to his advantage. Or the skit, and then they responded. That's why I'm saying that there are certain beefs that you use to your advantage. So maybe a producer, sometimes say me a movie, I would work with Lewen. Because sometimes the beef now I must a certain level of attention. Amana, Obia person hear his next move, whether the next video he does or the next appearance he makes on TV is going to be a response to a certain beef. And I'm suspecting that Tracey also as an actress, when there was a beef with Mzbel, would be able to get something of the sort from them. Otherwise, any beef that has no bearing on the job you do is meaningless.